between all these respected scholars, and I just want to share just part of my experiences and researches which I have done recently and also during my studies. Okay, my name is Dr. Mahnaz Kazemipoor. I am specialized in holistic health and Persian integrative medicine. Today, I'm going to present about a comprehensive representation of Persian integrative medicine. Okay, let's go through the recent trends in integrative biopsychosocial spiritual medicine. I don't know whether you have heard about it, but this is the recent trends in the medicine. Clinicians and researchers are increasingly using the term integrative medicine to refer to the merging of complementary and alternative medicine, which is also known as CAM, with conventional medicine. However, combination medicine, it means CAM added to conventional, is not actually integrative. Integrative medicine represents a higher order system of healthcare which emphasizes wellness and healing of the entire person. It means biopsychosocial spiritual dimensions of a person because we are as a whole. As a primary goals, drawing on both conventional and CAM approaches in the context of a supportive and effective physician-patient relationship, leading to mindfulness as the future of health and medicine. Okay. The holistic approach focuses on whole person care that recognizes the importance of all aspects of the patient for diagnosis and treatment by considering the effect of their emotions and
Dr.
belief
Mehnaz,
system. Yes.
sorry to disturb you. Actually, could you please share your screen for presentation?
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. You don't see my screen?
No, no, no.
Oh, really? Okay, I think
Ah,
there's
yes.
some problem. Sorry, just wait a moment. Okay. How about now? Do you see my screen?
Yes, now it's visible. So please go ahead.
Okay. Shall I start from the beginning or so?
Yes, please, you can start from the beginning.
Okay, okay. Sorry
Okay,
for any
thank you so
inconvenience.
much.
Okay, just I repeat it
Okay,
very
okay, no
fastly.
problem.
Okay. My topic is about the comprehensive representation of Persian integrative medicine. Okay, let's go to the recent trends in integrative biopsychosocial social spiritual medicine. Okay, clinicians and researchers are increasingly using the term integrative medicine to refer to the merging of complementary and alternative medicine with conventional biomedicine. However, combination medicine, which is CAM added to conventional, is actually not integrative. Integrative medicine represents a higher order system of healthcare which emphasizes wellness and healing of the entire person, which means biopsychosocial spiritual dimensions as a primary goal, drawing on both conventional and CAM approaches in the context of a supportive and effective physician patient relationship, leading to mindfulness as the future of health and medicine. This holistic approach actually focuses on whole person care that recognizes the importance of all aspects of the patient for diagnosis and treatment by considering the effect of their emotions and belief systems together with their physical body status and their vital force and overall health. Accordingly, this transcendental or deep medicine results in simultaneous and interactive changes within the whole person. It means mental, social, physical, and also spiritual dimension of a person. Okay, let's go through the significance of the traditional Persian and Islamic medicine. Professor Glenn Cooper, who is expert in late antique Middle Eastern studies, believes that the West owes a debt to Islam because during the European Dark Ages, when science, art, and literature seemed to flounder for centuries, a lot of discovery was occurring in places like Persia, Syria, and Iraq during the golden age of Muslim civilization. Okay, there is a brief history of Persian medicine that I try to explain here. As we know, history is a valuable resource and provides the basis for a sustainable corporate identity and distinctive profile in times of great global flux. According to historical evidence, medicine was first transferred from Iran to Greece and was preserved and classified by Hippocrates in 460 to 355 BC and re-entered Iran in 330 BC with Alexander's invasion. During the medieval Islamic period, Persian natural medicine was the most advanced in the world, integrating the concepts of the Greco Arabic and Unani traditional and naturopathic medicine systems, as well as the ancient Indian traditions of Ayurveda. So it was an integrative medicine in that time also. The therapeutic paradigm of biopsychosocial spiritual health has been applied by Persian therapists as a holistic approach for human health management, which is practiced increasingly in modern integrative medicine also. Persian medicine principles are based on considerations of temperament and humoral medicine. Today, it is known as personalized medicine or individualized medicine. And the temperament, the Persian name of temperament is called as mezaj. I don't know whether you have heard about it or not. Okay. Remarkably, most of the influential Persian scholars, such as Avicenna, Rhazes, etc., were knowledgeable in more than one scientific field, such as medicine. So their manuscripts include writings on a diversity of scientific topics, including philosophy, theology, algebra, mathematics, metaphysics, astronomy, chemistry, biology, physiology, pathology, pharmacology, alchemy, geography and geology, psychology, logic, physics, and works of poetry. So they are totally different from us that usually we are specialized only in one field, you know. Okay, what is personalized medicine? It's a humoral and precise therapy with a holistic perspective. Actually, it's based on temperament or message or nature of the individual's whole body, also the nature of body organs, the nature of disease, and also the medicaments. Medicaments are including minerals, foods, and herbs. The main health management technique in the Persian medicine system is to return the individual to and then maintain an equilibrium in an individual's innate temperament in which the organ systems work optimally. This is very important, and most of the diseases are because of, you know, imbalance in the body. Okay, now I want to show you based on the Persian medicine and also the modern medicine about the integrated factors. There are several interconnected factors which have connection with temperament. Okay, first of all, and the most important one is diet and temperament. Based on the Persian medicine theory, eating and digestion of different food materials results in producing four different floods in the body, which are correlated with the four elemental bodily humors, as you see in the picture. I'm sure most of you maybe you have heard or seen about this kind of charts. Each humor identifies special physical, mental, and even emotional characteristics of the individual. So, the quality and quantity of the consumed food will have a direct effect on the quality and quantity of the produced humors after a second metabolism in the liver and could either balance or imbalance the system. That's why diet is very important nowadays. Okay. In this table, as you see, there are four temperaments or humor: sanguine, choleric, melancholic, and phlegmatic. And each one of them are associated with different natures, like warm and moist, warm and dry, cool and moist. And also each one is associated with the different body organs. It means the um, important body organs. Also the produced flood, the four seasons, four elements, and also four ages periods. Okay. Also, the Greek physician Hippocrates believed that people's personalities, it means the characteristic aspect of the person, were governed by the amounts of these four viscous liquids. It means phlegm, blood, black bile, and yellow bile that flowed through their bodies. Okay, this table also shows the Hippocrates four humors in different decades, you know, in the ancient Unani medicine. Sorry, I don't go through them because of the lack of time. Okay, another interesting aspect that modern medicine has revealed about that is the association between the genes and temperament in Persian medicine. Coincidence with the physiologically identified indications in Persian medicine. In fact, temperament could be a virtuous representative of the genes of an individual. It is also a very interesting subject. Okay, the other aspect is the relationship between temperament of the disease and temperament of body organs. According to the humoral or temperamental theory, each organ or disease is related to a specific temperament. The patient's and the disease temperament are key determining factors for individualized patient treatments in Persian medicine. Likewise, genetic and molecular variations in humans are key determining factors in causing the type and severity of disease. This is based on the recent study. So most of the studies, related to this temperament, they are proving this fact about the personalized medicine. Okay, personalized medicine also explains the idiosyncratic responses of patients to different treatments and medications. So accurate diagnosis of message or temperament, which has been a fundamental therapeutic assessment in Persian medicine, could be a precise and wise approach to better predict the responses of patients to targeted therapy. Another aspect that the recent studies has proved is the relationship between the lifestyle, diet, and chronotype categories. Based on Persian medicine, there are specific recommendations for sleep, eating times, and the nature of dietary foods for different temperaments, especially for their weight management. Similarly, in modern health system, the most important principles of a healthy lifestyle, as we know, is diet and eating habits. As well, there is a relationship based on the modern study. There is a relationship between the four chronotype categories: sleep patterns, dietary behaviors, and body composition, which could be a modern representative of four temperaments. So they are all proving each other. Likewise, according to an ontological philosophical essay, psychic, it means personal chronotype, genotype, and archetypes are correlated. So researchers have emphasized the interrelations between types of realities and have recommended to practice multidimensional sciences related to macrosome, it means physical reality, and microsome, it means psychic reality, also biosphere, social reality, spiritual reality, and the technosphere simultaneously, which indicates the importance of a holistic and integrative approach for human health management. Okay. Another aspect is personalized nutrition. Another scientific aspect of this temperament focused medicine is promoting diet based on nutrigenomics and nutrigenetics as the emerging phases of nutrition. The term nutrigenetics refers to the impact of inherited traits on the response to the specific dietary pattern as related to a specific health outcome. In fact, it refers to the effects of diet on gene expression, showing that metabolic signaling pathways and biological functions vary among individuals. It means vary among different temperaments or different chronotypes. Researchers believe that nutrients interact and modulate molecular mechanisms underlying an organism's physiological functions at the gene level. Hence, the absence of genetic knowledge on the human metabolome and therefore the metabolite profile may lead to mistaken scientific assumptions and misinformed nutritional recommendations, which is nowadays, is very general, and unfortunately they cannot manage the health problems of people. This emphasis on the relationship between an individual's gene profile, their disease status, and their dietary intake is in line with the treatment principles of individualized therapy in Persian medicine. Okay, so as a result, based on all this, which I have mentioned in the previous slides, nature of food and medicaments are interconnected with body organs and human temperament based on the modern researchers and also the Persian traditional medicines. Modern science has revealed that lifestyle and environmental factors, including diet, affect gene expression and change the genetic status of an individual. Likewise, according to Persian medicine as a holistic medicine system, nutrition is emphasized as one of the fundamental and basic criteria to maintain overall health, support a treatment regimen, and prevent illness. So, the main practical principle for accurate diagnosis, treatment, prevention, and health management is assessing nature of food and medicaments together with the temperament of an individual and his body organs. Okay. Consequently, prescribing a diet and medicaments based on the nature of foods and medicinal plants is essential. This integrated diagnosis and therapeutic approach could ameliorate the affected body organs and correct an individual's imbalanced temperament, which is the main reason of the diseases, to a balanced, healthy status in which the organ functions are optimized. Okay, as you see in this chart, the main goal of the holistic health is to keep the balance of person in all dimensions. Okay, so briefly we can say that personalized diet will improve genetic status and also it will affect on the balanced temperament. It results in balanced temperament is if the diet is personalized. I mean, it depends on the health problem of the person, the temperament of the person, and etc. So this simple fundamental technique, which is correlated with epigenetic modifications in modern science, could be a shortcut for accurate perceptions in diagnosis and the correct expressions for prescription and treatment. Okay, so as a brief conclusion of all these previous slides, what are the interconnected factors which we have discussed before is first of all the quality and quantity of the diet, which is including food and medicament nature, also genetic and molecular variations, and personalities and temperaments, type of diseases and treatments, and type of mucus and humor. These are all including both in Persian medicine and personalized medicine. So it should call Persian Integrative Medicine, and they have made attention to they have paid attention to all these criteria in the centuries before, in the very old ages before, and that's why they have been able to manage the health problems of the people in that time. Okay, personalized medicine could be a sustainable therapeutic method. A report in 2010 by the US National Institutes of Health and FDA emphasized the necessity of greater investment in personalized medicine as a basic science, which would create an opportunity for substantial progress in health and medicine. Since then, personalized medicine has evolved as an acceptable part of medical practice. Consequently, merging and updating personalized medicine with modern therapies and predictive information systems would be the ideal approach to develop innovative treatments. Okay, as a conclusion, most of the disorders are due to a lack of harmony with nature. This disease means this is with homeostasis. Modern medicine, with its reductionist focus on an understanding at the molecular level and separation of spirit from physical body in treatments, provides a partial or temporary remedy. So it would not be a holistic approach to provide support for the whole person. Consequently, it is unsuccessful in health management nowadays, we can see. While Persian medicine or personalized medicine, both are somehow same, as handed down over the centuries, encompasses a variety of natural healing practices and plant-based medicine. Okay. Understanding how the interactions between lifestyle, diet, and genotype of individuals would contribute significantly to health and disease and possibly lead to the highly desirable goal of personalized nutrition, together with the updating and practicing temperamental medicine, is an exciting prospect for enhanced integrated healthcare and well-being. So it is expected that bringing these traditional reference works to a wider audience could provide multidimensional ideas and concepts for the promotion and development of integrative medicine, including spiritual, emotional, mental, and physical health, in addition to overall health. Okay, so integrative medicine, Persian integrative medicine means integrative medicine plus personalized medicine. Also, it is hoped that this study encourages a deeper interest in the history, culture, and philosophy of health practices eating habits and lifestyle in the ancient Persian civilization, and their relevance to the practices and aspirations of integrated health today. Okay, these are the references which I have used for this paper, and this would be continued and updated. Thank you so much. If there's anyone have a question, I am ready to answer.